Trying to find the piece.
What do you
Oh man, look. Some idiot killed it.
Hey guys, good evening. It's night 1 p.m. and just will have some random chat at late night. So Vivek is with me and we are just moving towards our hostels just after completing our lab work. And he is an intern with in our lab. And do introduce yourself.
Yeah, I am Vivek. That's it.
Okay, fine though. So I can put some fingerprint here as well. Let's put it.
It looks beautiful.
Guys, if you don't know my name, know it. And it's currently raining right now, and this is the view.
Yeah.
Okay, fine though. And this is the view of our college. And let's see. Vivek, you can come this side. And this is the whole view of our college at late nights. This is our cycle, and we have to keep it locked up
Otherwise,
just because there are too many thieves here in Rourkela. So the campus is completely quiet just because these BTech guys are in vacation and there is lot more less distraction in this college right now. You can listen the sounds of I don't know, these are frog sounds of frog.
no.
Insects.
These are actually the
Okay. So whenever in August when BTech guys will come, there would be a lot more distraction in the roadsides. Even if it is raining, couples would be sitting on the roadsides. Now it's
Rain is a symbol for romance. they should be here. But they are
so it's too much distracting. It's not. It doesn't look like an engineering college
It
or
looks
an
like
NIT.
a park.
It looks like a park.
Yeah.
Actually, the college is 1,200 acres, and it's huge actually. See how jungly the roads are. Like, even if someone will kill someone and bury them, you won't know that. And there is a huge building there. See how MTech guys are working so hard late night. It's the summer, and in summer it is raining, and it's what's the time? So the time is 1 p.m. and these guys are working so hard. Yes. This is the large building we have. That was used like a
That's like a Titanic of NIT.
yeah. That exactly looks like a ship from that side.
Like Jack and Rose in this campus, you can say.
Yeah. So since it rained so much, there is no internet. Sorry, no current,
No light.
no light. Wow, nice view. Oh, there is a frog here. Oh wow. Do. There are cameras everywhere. Oh, they captured me as well.
But there are still some places they don't have camera.
Yeah. Wow. And this is the ceramic department. And we are near towards another gate. Let's go. It is completely water. भैया कैसे हो? विवेक,
Yes.
कैसा लगा हमारा कॉलेज?
It's like 55% jungle instead of the buildings here.
Oh,
And the students here are using it well.
oh, fine.
And I got the trauma of that one day.
Nice bro, walking in the streets. You have freedom. Anytime you can work. 24 hours, 24/7. The lab is open. Nobody will ask at what time you are working, at what time you are sleeping.
Nothing.
Nothing.
Even you're walking or not, nobody will.
Even if you're not working, no one will ask. It's your PhD, you do it.
Bro. Wait. What are you thinking now?
Okay, it's much more fight.
You worked completely today.
Yeah.
And
It
it's
was better than yesterday.
how?
I did everything what I've written in my to-do list.
You sure about that? You did a lot, or still it's
See, I did grinding. Then I read one paper,
okay.
and then I went outside
Mm-hmm.
for 2 hours I roamed here and there
Yeah,
outside.
yeah.
And then I did some classes.
Okay.
That's enough for me.
Will the night canteen will open now or
I can go there.
some? No, not. I mean, in our hostel.
In our hostel, what's the time? It's
It's about one something.
1:15.
Yeah, it will be.
Yeah, it will be.
Yeah, let's go there.
Till 1:30 it is.
We will show you the night canteen of NIT Rourkela.
Yeah.
In all hostel they have night canteen.
Yeah.
Because if students are learning or studying at that time, they have to eat something. Yeah. That's how engaging this campus is.
But
But-
since BTech guys are not there, this campus is the best campus.
In the world.
Yeah. In the world.
Yeah. Look, he can see. I mean, he's branding his university in his back.
Yeah.
NITR. Yeah. And yeah, this frame looks good. So this is the just how what is this area? Scholars Avenue.
Scholars.
I don't know. They have some like names for each and every length like this. This campus is a complete rectangle split into another small rectangles. So you can expect some rectangles that like cross. And the main thing is like both of the side of the road is like completely full of trees and else. Even if you're depressed or something, you can have a good walk in the campus at the night time. And you can see it's complete silence. Nobody's here. Nothing to do. It's me and him walking, trying to find the peace.
What do
Oh man, look. Some idiot killed it. I think in some part of Odisha they eat this, right?
Yeah, they do.
What do you call this in Odia?
Bengo.
What?
Bengo.
Bengali.
Bengo.
You call Bengalis frog?
Bengal.
Bengali. Yeah. Fun. Yeah, this campus looks good.
And this is one of the abandoned.
Yeah, I don't know whether you can say this or not. The gate you're seeing, it's actually an entrance to canteen. There is nothing, but yeah, it's abandoned. There is a lot of abandoned canteens in this campus, and you can. There is everything in this, but yeah, still, students are everywhere. They'll show their behavior. There is a night SBI. Is that SBI?
Yeah.
Do you have any other brands here other than SBI?
Axis Bank.
Axis. Okay. You can see some mottos like this everywhere.
Try not
And-
to become a man of success.
You know one thing? Whenever I read this thing, what are going through my mind,
Yeah.
ultimately it will connect to the quote. Okay, there's a lot of quote by William Shakespeare here. And yeah, Shakespeare. Okay, you can see there, at this time, there is one outlet of Domino's working. Now we are getting to Gulmoha Street. You have any Gulmoha flowering in your mind now?
No.
At this time, why not?
No.
You should. You can. And look, hardworking students are going to hostel at
I
this
don't know.
time.
See, there is a hostel named Dhirubhai Ambani.
Dhirubhai Ambani. And when I asked him, he said that it is, what is it? It is funded or sponsored?
Maybe it should be funded because this is GD Birla, then
Yeah.
Vikram Sarabhai. Then
I
Homi Bhabha.
think
These
this
are scientists.
naming happened recently.
Yeah.
When I asked the students that pass out from here, they said that there was no name for this hostels before, just number. So now, yeah, there are names for the hostels here. And this is the power station. I think this is the power station.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is the grid here. You can see there is a lot of red light. Red street of NIT. No, there is actually a red street here. In evening you can go there.
Red area.
A red area. I think hopefully one day we can show that too. Guys, there is somebody at the gate. Some Sasur is there. And he's having good time of his life. After a long tragedy he had. Look at the frame, man. This is our hostel. This is a normal scene in IITs and NITs. Junkyard of cycles. Look at the beautiful hostel we have. And it's too old, if you ask me. And there are some guys roaming around here. He is there making sure he's locked his cycle because, as he said, there is some spooky action happen in this campus, like cycle will become vanish after some days if it doesn't lock it. Is it right?
Not fine. So there is no electricity in the hostel, and these are two idols of Ganeshji and Saraswati Ma, and there is no electricity. It's just, I don't know. Okay, this is Dr. Vikram A. Sarabhai. This is his idol, and there is a.
Fish, yeah.
You can try it out.
But I tried this once. These are not tasteful. Yeah, in my childhood, I did this.
Oh.
I had a big koi carp. It's closed.
Oh, that is no. It's not closed. We can go there.
Why should we take some?
Okay, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.